My name is Sjoerd Knipping. I'm heading the product team at Kia Europe. As such, I'm excited to welcome you at the European premiere of the all-new Kia Sportage. At Kia, everything we do is rooted in our brand purpose: movement inspires ideas. So today, we will not only unveil the all-new Kia Sportage, but also discover the inspiration behind the ideas that shaped this exceptional SUV. To begin with, let's hear from two of our European design team members, Isabel Herna and Antona Cohen.
I'm Isabel Herna, a colors, materials and finish designer for Kia Europe. As a designer, I love to try everything out that comes to my mind. That was what I did when I was working on the Sportage. I was totally open to inspiration from anywhere and everywhere. Daydreaming, just letting my mind find a new path through my thoughts. Or sometimes it's the sound of rain on the window. I find that different thoughts and ideas can just work so well together. We create a sensorial connection between different materials in the seat. It was also about the emotional connection between the urban environment and nature. That was part of the inspiration for the new exterior color for the Sportage, Experience Green. Creating a feeling that makes you want to go somewhere, to be inspired by different places and experiences. Now, let's hear Antona's inspiring story of the exterior design of the Sportage.
I am Antona Cohen, Senior Exterior Designer at Kia Europe. As a person and as a designer, I'm super curious about everything. Staying open-minded and interested means that my inspiration can come from many different places. When I started on this project, I really wanted to understand the audience, the history and the legacy of the Sportage. From the inspiration I gathered, I had this idea, this feeling, and then drawing with a pen and paper, I let the movement of my hand, the speed of the line, shape the outcome. That initial drawing captured the essence of my idea, inspiring us to create a daring and bold new expression of the Sportage, building on its legacy and strong history. Inspired by our design philosophy of opposites united, science and architecture, all of these came together in the design of the Sportage. In fact, with the new design direction, now was the perfect time to find new inspiration and rethink the conventional architecture of the front of the car. We created a bold and daring expression of technology that will deliver a real surprise and a memorable image when people see it. Inspired by the movement of tectonic plates and lines in architecture, we broke the purity of the line around the C-pillar, creating a more dynamic feel to the body. This all combines to create a memorable and inspiring new expression of the Sportage while maintaining its distinctive presence on the road.
I would like to thank Antona and Isabel for sharing the inspiration behind the design of the all-new Kia Sportage. As you've seen, our latest SUV has been designed to stand out with a dynamic and sporty new look. It's been created to move the game forward, not only over its stylish predecessors, but also within its segment. Unlike those that went before, our all-new Sportage is the first in its history to be designed specifically for our European customers. We took a step back and looked at what you, our European customers, most wanted from an SUV. The answer was a compact, agile and sporty vehicle, designed specifically for European roads. At every stage of the design and development journey, we worked hard to ensure that all new Sportage would be the most satisfying SUV to drive and to own. Today, Sportage is the most successful model in our European history. And as such, it's a true ambassador for the entire Kia brand. Therefore, with the all-new Kia Sportage, we knew we had to produce something special, something innovative, a compact SUV for a new era of mobility. In order to meet and exceed this challenge, we focused on 3 key areas: electrification, natural design, and state-of-the-art technology. The all-new Sportage features a new lineup of efficient, electrified powertrains that will enable you, our customers, to achieve a lower carbon footprint. As for design, our new SUV has been largely inspired by the natural world, combining a daring, emotional, and modern, yet organic form. This philosophy is carried over to the all-new Sportage Interior, which features a state-of-the-art, inspiring space with a driver-centric design. An intelligent use of space combines practicality, functionality, and versatility, meaning our customers can expect class-leading legroom as well as plenty of headroom and luggage capacity. We've also ensured it features the very latest technologies designed to make each journey fun, intuitive, and safe. Step inside and drivers are met with a beautifully sculpted, integrated, curved LED display, combining a high-tech 12.3-inch touchscreen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. This system combines the latest in connectivity and communication features, including over-the-air update functionality. It's easy to use thanks to its intuitive operation with the multi-mode touch display and incredibly clear graphics. Safety is our #1 priority, so we designed the all-new Sportage to be one of its safest vehicles in its class, with an extensive list of active and passive systems for your peace of mind. In short, the all-new Kia Sportage has been designed to give you, our customers, the space and time to be inspired and bring your own ideas to life. With that, I will pass you over to Stefan Kost, Vice President of Operations at Kia Europe, who will tell you more about the heritage of Sportage as well as the future of the Kia brand.
Thank you, Short. As you have now seen, our amazing all-new Sportage introduces stylish, sporty new design, a spacious high-tech interior, cutting-edge safety, and all powered by the latest efficient and electrified powertrains. With the introduction of Sportage back in 1993, it didn't just launch a new car. We were one of the pioneers of the compact SUV class that is so popular today. We managed to do this by simply putting our customers' needs at the heart of what we were doing. After truly understanding those needs, we went on to further urbanize the off-road car by keeping the advantages, such as a higher seating position and adapting the driving performance from off-road to on-road. With each generation of Sportage, we have introduced the latest design trends with advancement and technology to both the product and its segment. The best proof of the quality of the Sportage are the 2.5 million satisfied customers around the world. However, not only were we one of the pioneers of the SUV segment, we were also one of the first brands to offer customers a variety of powertrain options, starting with the first all-electric vehicle back in 2012. The all-new 5th generation Sportage features a range of efficient electrified powertrains that deliver a lower carbon footprint without compromising usability or practicality. Once again, Sportage will live up to its reputation as a forward-looking SUV that offers much and delivers even more, moving the game on in the C-SUV segment class. Additionally, it's not only Sportage. There are a lot of innovations and products on their way to the future. Today, Kia is at the forefront of passenger vehicle electrification with a wide range of EVs, PHEVs and HEVs within our portfolio. But this is just the beginning. As a part of our Plan S strategy, we will introduce 11 new electric vehicles by 2025, 7 of which will be based on a dedicated electric architecture. So, an exciting and eventful future is ahead of us. I would like to finish by thanking you all for joining us today.
Kia, movement that inspires.